I am Nisha Siripurapu and I am back again with a new recipe. My today's recipe is banana almond milkshake. Well, when it comes to banana and diabetes, there's a lot of controversy. Few doctors feel that banana is perfectly fine for diabetics, whereas others feel that they should not touch it. If you ask me, I would like to believe the first set of doctors. This milkshake I have experimented on a couple of my family members who are suffering from diabetes, and I have checked their postprandial readings and it came out perfectly fine. So you can also experiment, and if you think that your sugar levels are fine, you should include this in your daily diet. This is very simple recipe and it will be done in no time. And especially if you are traveling, this can be a very good option for your breakfast. So what are we waiting for? Come on, let's note down the ingredients. Thank you so much. Milkshake is ready. You can have this as your breakfast. So few days you can drink your breakfast instead of eating it. So on the topmost corner you see my picture. Please click on that to get subscribed to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen for more such healthy recipes. Thank you so much.